moms think that success take years, but what if it could happen in just a few months without you have to give up your stay-at-home mommy lifestyle? So I used to believe that I needed to wait until my boys were a bit older, especially the baby, or wait till we have maybe more money, maybe financial stable somehow. But that wait just keep me stuck in more stress. This with the right support, the right step-by-step guidance, you could literally start learning and earning at the same time and start seeing days like this without you have to leave your house. Exactly what this blueprint I've been following since 2023 showed me and so many other moms how to work 2 hours a day and earn online in US dollars. Resale done for you digital products. My friend, if you are waiting for a sign, this is it. So if you want to know more about the system that I follow, the blueprint that me and so many other people 56 plus thousand members follow, put a word me in my comments or feel free to go to my bio and grab my Freedom Formula Blueprint.